Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over is Tranont's newest bundle, the Radiant Beauty Bundle. And we're going to go over and dive into this bundle. What is it? What it include? How much is it? How you can get it? How you can get it for cheaper? And what it can do for you. So with that, we're going to dive right into this one. And as you can see, I am already on the website. And you will see it says Tranont Radiant Beauty Bundle. Now this bundle actually includes 2 glows, and that's their liquid collagen, advanced type 1 collagen, and it's liquid, and 1 rejuvenate. So we're going to talk about what this is. If you're not familiar with rejuvenate, not a problem yet. Just go back and check out one of my videos, most recent videos. It's a new product that Tranont just came out with, a skincare, a beauty skincare serum and a treatment that you can actually use. It's working great for a lot of people. People are getting a lot of good results with that. So you can go back and watch my videos for it and go from there. So what this will do for you is actually improve skin hydration and elasticity. There we go. Boosts natural collagen production. Helps reduce appearance of aging. So right there, those are amazing beauty effects. So hydration, elasticity, toning of the skin, and reduce the appearance of aging. We can't run away from age because that's time, but to make it look like that you're staying young, that's amazing right there. So you can actually get this by 2 ways: a one-time purchase, or you can subscribe and save. Now I'm going to tell you a little hint, a trick on how to do this. Okay. The one-time purchase is actually $235, but if you subscribe and save, you get it for $202. Big difference. That's like savings of what? I wouldn't say 35, so that's $32. So that's pretty cool. And here's the thing, though, there is no commitment to it. So if you want to get it for the discount, subscribe to it and then go into your account and unsubscribe to that one, so you don't get charged next month and they send you another, unless you want to keep it. If you like it that much and you want to keep getting it, great, awesome. But that's the trick for it right there, so you can actually get the discount for it. Now, what does this do? Well, let us go into that one. So naturally supports glowing skin by increasing collagen production and improving the appearance of the fine line and wrinkled skin and skin tone and texture. So that's what these do right here for these 1-2s right there, and those 3 products with there. It's the same thing. So the description: a powerful combination for maintaining and improving skin health. Glow has hydrolyzed type 1 collagen and powerful antioxidants that help your skin look and feel healthy and renewed. And rejuvenate. And rejuvenate is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and botanicals that help improve skin tone, texture, hydration, while reducing the appearance of wrinkles and sunspots. Sunspots, hey? That's wrinkles? Getting rid of them, reducing it. Awesome. So the benefits of Radiant Beauty Bundle. So ingredients, I'm not going to go into all the ingredients. So ingredients for maximum impact. Radiate with a deeper glow thanks to Rejuvenate's powerhouse blend of vitamins, antioxidants, rich botanicals. That oils that nourish delicate faces and cells, facial skin, for an improved complexion from helping support skin tones and textures to sunspots and pores. That's cool. Pores, because certain things actually clog your pores up and get acne and stuff like that. This actually helps with that. Plus, Glow's hydrolyzed type 1 collagen, powerful antioxidants, and vitamins that help your body look and feel healthy and renewed. So that's what the whole pack does. Glow is what is Glow? It's an advanced type 1 collagen formula for health and beauty that assists with rebuilding and rejuvenating hair, skin, and nails, even supporting healthy bones muscles, and joints. I love it, what it does for my joints. As we age, our ability to produce collagen begins to wane. Glow helps your body maintain its collagen levels and enjoy all the benefits that come with it. Look at that. Now, Rejuvenate. Rejuvenate, this powerhouse blend of vitamins, antioxidants, and rich botanical oils nourish delicate facial skin cells. Formulated with powerful skin-supporting ingredients like glycerin, black tea, and you see the rest of that rest right there. I'm gonna let you guys read that. But this premium serum is formulated to help restore skin's appearance by supporting natural cell regeneration, and it is also a natural alternative to retinol for y'all who use retinol. All right, so radiant beauty starts on the cellular level. When it comes to beauty, sometimes it's the little things that make the biggest difference. Glow is a highly absorbable and bioactive form of type 1 collagen peptides. Helps restores your collagen levels to support continued skin health and beauty. Rejuvenate uses diverse vitamins, antioxidants, and botanicals to nourish delicate facial skin cells and help restore more youthful looking skin. So that's what this bundle is. That's what they can do for you. That's what it's made to do. And so yeah, guys, I mean, like I said, you got two prices. You can do a one-time purchase at $135, or you can do subscribe and then unsubscribe if you don't want to keep it and get the discount, or keep a subscription and then get each month. So yeah. So that's a mouthful, but hey, it's actually people are getting a lot of good results with the Rejuvenate. People have had tons of results with the, include myself and my family, with the Glow. So I'm actually in the process of using the Rejuvenate to see my results. My wife is getting great results with the Rejuvenate. But yeah, so these are good products, good quality products as well. And you know, if you have any questions or concerns, I'll be more than happy to answer those for you, or address them in the comments, or you can contact me. My number is actually in the description below. You can text me or call me, either or, wherever you feel comfortable to do. If you want to set up a call, we can do that. Text me, let me know. We can schedule something, put it on the books. I'm an open book. I don't bite. I'm very friendly and approachable, so let me know. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos, do me a favor. You know that big red button down there? Hit that big red button. Yep, that's the subscribe button. And right next to it is a little bell. Click that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You like this last one, help you with some beauty tips and some beauty products, so you might like this one too. So with that, guys, I'm going to wrap this video up. Hopefully you got some good value from it. If you did, give me some likes and loves, some shares, let some people know about this. Hopefully this might help somebody else that you may know, if not yourself, in your life. So until the next one, guys, take care, be safe, and be blessed.